Are you in search of a kitchen appliance that can revolutionize your cooking while staying within budget? Look no further. In this video, we will unveil the top 5 air fryer toaster ovens under $200 in 2023. These versatile kitchen appliances are designed to elevate your cooking experience, from creating crispy snacks to perfectly roasted meals, all without straining your budget. Join us as we explore the top options and transform your kitchen with ease. I will leave links in the description and you can check them at the latest price. Starting our list with the NuWave Bravo XL Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The NuWave Bravo XL Toaster Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance boasting 1800 watts of power for efficient and quick cooking. It features linear thermal technology, which allows precise temperature control ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. This patented technology ensures consistent cooking by continuously monitoring temperature fluctuations and making constant power adjustments to maintain the set temperature, eliminating the need for the primitive method of turning the heater on and off. The oven offers a spacious 30-quart capacity, housed in a durable stainless steel construction, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. One standout feature of the NuWave Bravo XL is its ability to make on-the-fly adjustments during cooking. It comes equipped with 12 present cooking functions, including grilling, air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting, and more. Additionally, it includes a remarkable 100 pre-programmed recipe presets, with the option to save up to 50 of your favorite recipes for easy access. The oven also features durable components such as a heat-resistant and shatterproof tempered glass door, heavy-duty cooking racks, a non-stick enamel baking pan with a broiler rack, a crumb tray, and an air fry basket, all designed with quality and longevity in mind. One point worth noting is that this model does not include an integrated timer, so you will need to use an external timer or another method to monitor your cooking time accurately. Despite this, the NuWave Bravo XL Toaster Oven stands as a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance, combining precision and ease of use to enhance your cooking experience. The number 2 is the Black & Decker Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Black & Decker Extra Wide Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven in silver is a versatile and convenient addition to your kitchen. With a capacity of 17 liters, it brings innovation to your cooking. This toaster oven harnesses the power of air fry technology, allowing you to savor the delicious taste of deep-fried foods without the excess fat. This method surrounds your dishes with high-intensity hot air, resulting in perfectly baked, brown, and crispy meals with minimal oil usage. Additionally, it boasts a wattage of 1500 watts, providing efficient cooking power. The versatility of this toaster oven shines through its 5 cooking functions, which include baking, broiling, toasting, keeping warm, and air frying. Whether you are cooking a family dinner or simply reheating leftovers, this appliance adapts to various cooking tasks with ease. Convenience is paramount with the inclusion of a 60-minute precision timer that ensures perfectly cooked dishes for both short and long cooking tasks. Furthermore, the manual control interface of this toaster oven provides you with direct control over cooking settings, allowing you to fine-tune temperature and cooking time to your preferences. While it excels in various aspects, it is essential to note that the maximum temperature reaches 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which may not suit all consumers. Whether you are a fan of healthier cooking or simply seeking an efficient addition to your kitchen, this Black & Decker toaster oven is a must-have. The number 3 is the Emeraldlus Power 360 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Emeraldlus Everyday 360 Air Fryer is a culinary powerhouse in a compact package. This versatile 9-in-1 air fryer is here to revolutionize your cooking experience. With 12 preset cooking functions, it is not just an air fryer, it is your custom toaster oven, roaster, baker, dehydrator, and more. It boasts 360 degrees quick cook technology and 5 super powerful heating elements, ensuring your meals cook evenly on all sides in a whirlwind of superheated air, delivering crispy and delicious flavors without the need for added fats or oils. Its 1500 watts of power make it 40% faster than regular ovens, making it a time-saving kitchen essential. The LCD digital display makes selecting from its 12 cooking functions a breeze, from air frying to slow cooking and everything in between. Crafted with stainless steel, this sleek, state-of-the-art appliance is designed to complement your kitchen, and with its XL of 930 cubic inch capacity, it is ready to handle a variety of culinary tasks. This all-in-one package includes a crisper tray, rotisserie spit, pizza rack, baking pan, drip tray, and even a cookbook with recipes written by the renowned chef Emeraldlus himself. Upgrade your kitchen with the Emeraldlus Everyday 360 Air Fryer and unlock a world of cooking possibilities. The number 4 is the Ninja Fuby Digital Air Fry Oven. With its cutting-edge technology, the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven is a culinary powerhouse that will improve your cuisine. This appliance's digital crisp control technology ensures excellent cooking performance for a variety of meals by giving exact control over temperature, heat source, and airflow. With its 8-in-1 functionality, this multi-purpose kitchen marvel is the perfect meal prep appliance. With just a potent 1750-watt package, it can bake, toast, bagel, roast, fry, dehydrate, and keep warm. With a 169 cubic inch capacity and an average height of 3 inches, the oven's interior provides plenty of room for you to make a variety of dishes and recipes. With a measurement of 13 by 13 inches, the air fry rack of the Ninja Foodi air fry oven is among the biggest that we have tested. Although it can accommodate 9 pieces of bread at a time and has a wide cooking area. Unlike most of the air fryer toaster ovens and toaster ovens we examine, this machine is squat and cannot fit an entire chicken. With a detachable crumb bin and an easily accessible back panel for deep cleaning, cleaning is a snap. Everything you need to get started is included in this set, including the air fry basket, sheet pan, wire rack, countertop oven, and removable crumb tray. With the Ninja SP101 digital air fry countertop oven, you can unlock a world of culinary possibilities and create delicious, healthier meals with ease. The number 5 is the Quecair air fryer toaster oven. This air fryer toaster oven has topped our best tested list for several years. You can easily cook a wide range of dishes with its 1800 watt power and manual control feature, which offers a diversified range of functions from air free to roast. With this large 0.6 cubic foot capacity, you can bake a 12-inch pizza, toast 6 bagel halves, roast a 4-pound chicken, and air fry up to 3 pounds of food. It air fries the fastest without requiring extra preheating, bakes gently, and toasts bread quickly and evenly. It produced extremely crispy chicken wings in 20 minutes and even crispier French fries in less time during our tests. Keep an eye on food when experimenting the first few times to prevent accidentally burning your food. In addition to being programmed with over 10 settings, 5 of which are specifically for air frying, the oven also comes with a user guide filled with cooking charts and recipes. Its dishwasher-safe baking pan, air-free basket, oven light, and oven rack further increase its convenience, and the easy-to-clean non-stick interior makes cleanup a breeze. With a broad temperature range of warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this cookware accommodates a variety of culinary requirements. One special feature of this oven is that it can be programmed to bake at 2 different times and temperatures. This is helpful for crisping food at a high temperature and finishing cooking it at a lower temperature. This digital model is nice, but the control panel is a little confusing. If you're a baker and chef, this is one of the best kitchen appliances for you. Overall, the Quecair air fryer toaster oven appears to be a strong choice. It has performed well in tests and can handle various cooking tasks with ease. Additionally, it comes with useful accessories and a user-friendly interface. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your cooking needs, available space, and budget.